Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Polish Pickup is live, and today I'll be sharing Glisten Glow's contributions for March 2022. The theme for this month is Maker's Choice, and Glisten Glow's contribution is a stunning reflective polish named Amethyst Skies, plus their top coat. Both of these items will be available at polishpickup.com and only until March 7th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Amethyst Skies is described as an amethyst purple polish loaded with a blend of reflective pigment, and it was inspired by the beautiful and vibrant purple skies that are rarely seen, but once experienced are breathtaking and majestic. Here I applied 2 coats of this polish, and it does dry pretty textured, so I'm going to apply a layer of Glisten Glow's Glitter Grabber as well as a coat of Glisten Glow's Top Coat for a super glossy finish. The top coat is also available this month at polishpickup.com, and it's one of my favorite top coats that is both quick drying and gives my nails a super glossy finish for days to weeks with no tip wear or chipping. So here are 2 coats of Amethyst Skies with the Glisten Glow Glitter Grabber and top coat. Under low lighting, the polish leans towards a darker amethyst shade with a hint of that reflective sparkle, but the polish completely transforms under a bright light or flash to a vibrant and reflective lighter amethyst shade. So that's all for today's video. Again, both Amethyst Skies and the top coat are available at polishpickup.com and only until March 7th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The price for Amethyst Skies is $13 and the price for the top coat is $8, and there's no cap for either. I'll leave a link down below to the Polish Pickup shop as well as my other Glisten Glow swatch videos. But anyways, that's all for today's video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!